What does a day in the life of Meadow, our rehabilitative facility dog, look like? That's a great question, and we're going to cover everything that she does throughout her day. Meadow's day starts out much like every other dog's. In my house, she sleeps at the foot of our bed. She gets up with me for my morning routines, basically follows me around until she gets her breakfast, which is probably her favorite thing to do all day. After that, we head to work together. And her first role here is just loving and greeting on the staff. All of our employees treat her like their own pet. She's absolutely loved and adored here by everybody, and she brightens everybody's day. Once our patients start showing up, Meadow's role changes a bit, and the staff no longer interact with Meadow on that level. She becomes an employee with us, and she stays with me by my side throughout the entire day, interacting with all of my patients. She has three main roles with my patients here. The first role is just a meet and greet and making the dental visit a little bit more fun. So she'll come into the room, wag her tail, say hi, get some pets and some loving, and then she'll lay down next to the dental chair. If the patient's a little bit more stressed, a little bit more anxious, and needs a little bit more calming relief from Meadow, we can have Meadow actually jump up onto the patient's lap and lay down in what we call full pressure. Full pressure is a therapy that we do here with Meadow that allows the patient to be grounded during the appointment, petting and calming themselves with Meadow. It's really fascinating to watch her work. As a patient gets worked up or stressed during a procedure, a patient will often hold their breath or feel tense, and Meadow can sense that, and she will actually bump the patient with her nose, reminding them to relax, to be calm, and to put their stress onto her. So those are some of the roles of Meadow. And the final role is saying goodbye. She'll come up to the front of the office when the patient is checking out, letting them know that they're still loved and cared for here, and kind of inviting them back for the rest of their treatment. So that's the basis of what Meadow does. And then after that, we jump in the truck, we drive home, and her second favorite part of the day is she has dinner. And she hangs out with my family. We play in the backyard with the kids, run around. Her favorite game with us is keep away. She'll get a tennis ball in the back and just run laps with me and the kids chasing around the yard. And that's the basic day in the life of Meadow. If you found this video helpful or interesting and like to know more, go to our website at thrivefamilydental.com.